Welcome to Nill, your go-to channel for all things YouTube growth. Today, we're diving into the secrets of the YouTube algorithm. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, these tips will help you gain views, subscribers, and keep your audience hooked. Let's get started. First, let's understand the YouTube algorithm. It's a complex system designed to recommend videos that viewers are most likely to watch and enjoy. Key factors include watch time, engagement, and viewer retention. Tip number 1. Optimize your titles and thumbnails. Use compelling, keyword-rich titles that spark curiosity. Your thumbnail should visually communicate the video's content and stand out among others. Next, leverage playlists. Group related videos into playlists to increase watch time. Playlists keep viewers on your channel longer, signaling to YouTube that your content is engaging. Engagement is key. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and subscribe. Ask questions in your video to spark conversation in the comments. The more interaction, the better your video will perform. Quick break! If you're enjoying these tips, remember to subscribe to Nill for more insights and strategies. Use YouTube analytics to your advantage. Analyze which videos perform best and understand your audience demographics. Double down on content that resonates with your viewers. Consistency is crucial. Create a regular upload schedule to build anticipation and loyalty. Consistent uploads help keep your channel active and signal reliability to both viewers and the algorithm. By implementing these strategies, you'll be well on your way to mastering the YouTube algorithm. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with persistence and creativity, you can grow your channel to new heights. Thanks for watching Nill. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on Nill. Keep creating, keep growing, and see you in the next video.